How to factory reset a Pioneer Elite receiver. This one is a VSX-LX104, but it will work on most of the Pioneer Elites. You're going to want to do this if this receiver is not working and you're trying to troubleshoot it, like if it's not connecting to Bluetooth or if it's not streaming, if it's not responding properly and stuff like that. Now this is going to restore all the factory defaults, so you'll have to set everything up again as new. That's another reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to get a fresh start. Anyways, it's real easy to do. With it on, we're going to come in and we're going to find this Zone 2 control button here. And we're going to press and hold it. And while we're pressing and holding that Zone 2 control button, we're going to come over and just go ahead and hit the standby or the power button. Now, if this has worked right, it will show up on the screen. It will show up the word clear. Now, you can let go of the buttons and just wait for that clear button, for that clear light to go off on the screen. Once it turns off, then you can go and unplug your receiver. Leave your receiver unplugged for 10 seconds or so. Then you can plug it back in and turn it back on, and you should be setting this receiver up now as it was when it came out of the box with its factory defaults in place. And if you're shopping for a new receiver, I'll put a link in a pinned comment to a great receiver at a great price.